school for very good tool for school use the educational service. Google for Education special program is actually free. It's good tool. Allow school to work with the educational tool. It can empower learning while getting more time back to focus on students with flexible, secure, and easy to use tools that are free and built for education. In very good tools for education is Google Education Program. How to use? You first receive from Google. Collaborate anywhere, co-edit documents, spreadsheet, and presentation in real time. Is document, slide, sheet, drive, Jamboard, and the communication your way. Communication is connect your classroom with the email, chatting, video. Google Meet is one of a good tool. Managing your classroom simple is create a classroom, make assignment, and given quiz and save time grade. This is the classroom assignment and form is built in Google Education. Organize your task. Built into the Keep Task, Remind, Schedule Meeting is Keep Calendar. Google Calendar is a wonderful tool to manage the timeline. And the administrator is the managing student, device, security, so data stay safe and you can scale at need. This is the Google Education. How to start? Start with Google for Education. Shape what next education with Google for Education. Free for school. You can also upgrade your digital environment with advanced security control and tool with G Suite Enterprise for Education. Your account is the Google account is the build up G Suite. Is one of the separate account group for Google Suite is Google for Education, and this one is the very wonderful tool. Is separated from the Google account. Google account is general. General Google account is the usually Gmail only or some tool, but Google Education is a very special tool. They provide. How to is a different authorization process. You are on your way to transforming the way your student and faculty interact. G Suite is one of the separated account, free for eligible institution. Eligible institution is a school or some the university, college, institution too should approve by Google. Usually this one is we submit the application through Google website. Is start today G Shoot for Education. This one is the guided through the creation account for your educational institution. Is the one by one you create your account. And then this one is tell us about your institution, school, open account, school provide information about the institution name and what kind of education is the usually primary, secondary education. Okay, primary and secondary, higher. This means is primary is usually elementary. Elementary school is the kindergarten, kinder to grade 6. Secondary is middle and high school. And then include institution, elementary, middle school, high school, and the higher education. Higher education includes colleges, vocational, and postgraduate school. A university included. This is the religion. And then give it information more. Information is the input how many person, how many number of students and staff is in the how many staff is maybe 100 resident, something like it. And what is it, your institution location and number. Location and number is the address. You input your information, and then country, institution phone number, enter your address too. Enter institution address here, and then who is contact information? Who is contact information to the open the Google education. Education account is a special account. Mean is your admin. Mean is provide email to student. And to student, to staff, to faculty. Your own email. Free. What is your contact information? This one. Provide the email address you check regularly and you can reach to you. Does your institution have a domain? Domain mean is that as like your school has domain name, as like the school name and edu or org or us. Something like the email domain name. Domain name, you have the domain name. You can receive your own email. Google education is good tool. You provide your student each email. You provide you. This is Google education. Personally, Google education is good tool. Provide student. If you are registered school, or approve school. You will need domain name, like example edu, set up the email, should provide education account for your institution, means is that you provide your own email. If you operation school is essential. Domain name, and then yes, I have one and input the domain name. What your institution domain name, and then we walk you through, verify that your institution owns this domain later. This one is something like you input the specific domain name. This is a procedure you apply to Google Education. Another one is the next step is Google Workspace. Google Workspace is one of the admin and control for your group and your institution. Institutional level. Google Workspace for Education is a set of the Google tools and services that tailored for schools and homeschools to collaborate, streamline instruction, and keep running safety. Google Workspace for Education offer multiple options to meet your organizational need. Mean is the provide usually email and then Google Class, LMS. One of the LMS is Google Class. Google Class is the free of charge. Google Workspace for Education Fundamental give your tools as teaching and run, such as Google Room, Classroom, Google Meet, and Google Doc, Google Form, Google Chat. This is the connect one group and provide educational platform. Google Workspace for Educational Standards. Some tools educational fundamental, but it's advanced security features and enhanced administration control. Mean is the technically group your student and then staff, your faculty, and then this one level admin and teacher, student. This is the level. Admin is provide this permission, student email, and then some of the function is available or not. Teaching and running upgrade and enhanced video communication capability is classroom and on other features tools your education fundamental for education standardization. Video communication capability. And Google Workspace for Education process include all feature education standard and teaching and running upgrade with the additional features for certain service such as the attendance tracking in Google Meet. Attendance. How about you? In regular traditional classroom, check the tracking, how to tracking attendance. Paperwork. You are in and out signature. But how to signature in online is attendance tracking. Mean is the Google Meet. Google Meet is they are start checking. Check in, check out. Check in, check out function is provide the student how long attended the classroom. Education fundamental is free to all qualifying institution. Educational standard, teaching and learning, upgrade and educational process, all paid subscription. Mean is this one. Some function is the needed to subscription. Mean is pay money. Mean is Google education is the fundamental is free of charge, but is the upgrade and plus is needed to subscription. Okay. Next function is one of the example is the Google Classroom. Okay, I show you this one. This one. Okay. Anyway, we continue. One of the Google educational tool is important one is Google Classroom. Classroom is the one of a good tool for LMS. LMS is management, learning management. LMS, learning management system. Google for education, Google application for education, Google app, school will have the Google app domain manager who can allocate accounts to staff and student. Google application manager can also allow turn off the features of the product of the Google offer depend on school need. Mean is the school administration manager can control the function. Benefits of Google Classroom. Google Classroom is very easy. Very easy. Google Classroom is incredibly simple compared to other LMS. Set up new classroom takes a little time and or experience. If a user have the training time about hour, they can get class set up and running after end of training. It's very simple. I show you on it's Google, and then this one. And to sign out. Okay, so Okay, this one is the very simple one here. You can find it Google Classroom here. Google Classroom is I'm the professor. I created my own site. Is one of sample is I created the American history I'm teaching. This one is same. This one is the one of the what assignment classwork. Here you can find it is a lecture note, quiz assignment, question. Here classroom and the assignment too. Assignment is some student submit their assignment. People is meaning is student. Who is student? Grade is the I grading for them. Some student how the grading. This is the Google Class. This is free of charge. Why not? Very good tool. Yes. Is the benefit of Google Classroom is Google Classroom is very easy. More efficient means the communication. Teacher can reach student email address. Once the contact the classroom complete, what the meaning is or Google, Gmail is school provide student email and then email is their login account for Google Classroom. Yes, that is very easy. Is the teacher can reach the student email address only once is send the invite and the student join only by joining the student at school instructor immediately generate the email address. Yes, discussion group and Google Calendar mean is the Google account is grouping each class. Feature mode is simple, add and remove student from the classroom as need. Is the Google Class is one of kind the Google email is combined as the community. The dominant way of the communication. Google Classroom allows you communication more effectively, perhaps more important than being easy to use. This one, easy to use, effective communication tool, also handy. Since it is all cloud-based, what does it mean? All data stored as the cloud Google account. No download and save extra hard disk. There is no loss. But is the important one is the storage. Storage is limited. Usually the 15 gigabyte is allowed. If student is not present, contact is seamless. Just last month, Google Classroom introduced the parent notification features to keep parent update on what's going on in the classroom. Most cost effective and better for communities. Google Classroom is the online platform. That means no paper, paperless learning platform. Not particular satisfied for younger students, yet particular advantage of for school is there are more profitable when it comes to copying and printing. That means is that your old handout material or handout, no printing. No printing. That is shared. Every student has the laptop, only link the internet, laptop of the link internet or tablet. Use the laptop and tablet, student access the Google Classroom, every sheet of paper we save can just make the school more efficient, effective, and environmental friendly. Mean is no printing, is more easily communication. This is Google Classroom. Something like the here. Okay, faculty member is here is customized and upload file here. Is course classroom topic. Here is the view instruction. Create here. Yes, one example create and then topic question materials here. Material and then I upload. Upload files. Okay. What's wrong? Internet is
recording in progress.
okay. Internet is something. I continue. Is you are create. Create something is you create here. Material is here is the handout or handout for classroom class teach chapter. This one is something like handout chapter 1, something like here, and then you are describe chapter 1 for effective education, and then you can upload Drive and YouTube. Mean is that you create the upload file here, upload something like me. Google Drive, and then browsing, and then your file, maybe here, I try, and this, this one, maybe this one, okay, this one, file upload. Insert for your driver. Okay, start. Your link. As like you uploaded your file. Also you link YouTube. You here your YouTube file is like the simply you go to the your YouTube. Maybe easy way. Okay. I think very slow. Maybe this one. Okay, this one. Brothers and sisters, here is share. You copy link. I think very slow. Copy and you classroom. And here, okay, you copy. Okay, this one is the add video. Mean is your material is automatically here, and then all student post. Mean is posting the class work. Everybody see handout for chapter 1, and then they see the video. This is very simple link. Educational materials. And method for study in the future. This is how students can continue to study in future, which is why we need to read our paperless. Hang up go. University campus no longer require undergraduate to printing their 5-page essay, something educator. We will take the notice and training our student for world in which they live. Mean is future. Future is the no printing, is a tablet and PC is enough. And suitable for students who struggle. It's better for students who struggle as long as you help them manage the system. Yeah. The computer itself can be hassle at times, so handling it needed to thought. The reason why Google Classroom is better is the organizational benefit it offers them. Assignment. Assignment is a student. Here, student assignment, one of the here. Assignment here, a student upload here. Yeah. Their files. And the instructor already coordinates every class. How something has the thought to these school students to handle, even though students are digital native. That does not mean they understand how adults structure their environment to help them run. Mean is a digital environment. Use the laptop, tablet, and you are watching video and then upload, you read, uploaded handout. Yeah. More straightforward collaboration outside of school. With Google Classroom, collaboration outside means is that you are continued communication, not school. Students in school also they go home and connect internet and access classroom. More candy, flipped classroom, very flexible. Again, it's cloud-based, available from anywhere with a connection, anywhere. And this one is one of the Chromebook. Okay. One example. Amazon. Chromebook. Okay. Everybody know the Chromebook? This is one of example. Is a student access the LMS very cheaper price using the Chromebook. Chromebook is the very cheaper compared to regular computer. Only less than $100. Some Chromebook is expensive. Why so slow? Okay. Okay, this one. Something like this one is the only not $59. Chromebook, some Chromebook is $6, $7. This one is a little bit expensive. Anyway, 200, something like. Something like this book is access internet and then Google Classroom. Students will exchange home assignments and work together to complete them. Collaboration is more not limited. Yes, collaboration. Interacting with other peer in group. Mean is student work together. Teacher can flip the classroom by uploading video to go live in event, allowing students to watch it and then night to practice for quiz the next day. There are infinity possibilities. Actually, student, yes, here, classroom, and then question, view question, here, student is a test question, and answer. Teacher planning, it easy. Teacher preparation is simple. And the upfront time is worth it. Some more new feature in Google Classroom allow teacher to schedule assignment in future. Yes, the designated task may be programmed to go live on Monday in October and then close on Friday. Something like window. When teacher has long absence, if the vacation and the conference, she would be able to arrange the task and not have to rely on sub to do all of them. Classroom can also use for the semester or year system. Yes, timing, quarter system. Quarter system and semester system. It is horrible for teacher to simply copy and paste the lesson for next few group of students, but it does save some time, have some stuff already in place. This one is the teacher and very easily copy classroom and rebuild. Instant feedback through the embedding element feedback. Feedback is immediate and accessible. One of the teachers the other day have the student complete multiple choice quiz while watching the film. Enhance interaction and transparency, but still allow instructor to see result at the end of the lesson. Yes. Instead, if students fail to respond with the correct answer, they may cover the material again. Providing positive input to students is a crucial part of the learning process. Within classroom grading tool is teacher will give the feedback and assignment to every student. Being is here. Here and the grading. We can provide the quiz here, as right here. Quiz assignment, and then no grading. Maybe as right the 90 something. I input. Yes. You can see grading. This one. Faculty member input. And the ability to create a command bank for future use also included in grading method. Also, classroom mobile application help user annotate their work. Updates are constant. It's mean is Google Classroom continue to develop. If something needed to change in collect, Google will listen and response. Means is Google Classroom is continuously updated. Assignment schedule and then parent contact has come from this. It also means is a teacher will have to start learning how to do. Features, function, grading. Grading is very important. Google Classroom grading can work with various grading schemes. Teacher should add assignment to text file, then student should assess, edit, and copy. Student can also build the file. Yes. Text will we add their record to task until instructor does it. Instructors can track the progressive or student working on assignment. This one. Classroom, and then assignment here. Yes, assignment is they are I input, make complete, okay, and then this one is the 99, okay, return. This one is 99%. It means is student to see his grade. Assignment. Teacher are store assignment in Google Classroom and shared them with the student. Mean is the I updated assignment share. The file are stored in the student drive and then submit when they are finished. Yeah, this is assignment. Teacher can post announcement to student. Student can vote them. So on down. Student will also post class source, but their place do not have the same degree or priority as announcement. Yes, this is one of kind of discussion. Discussion style. And announce is the high priority. You can see this one Google Classroom, and then home, find it, it's right. Here is new announce. New announce is here is new announce. New announce for classroom. This posting here. Yes, you are posting is the first level. Communication. Teacher can post announce to student. Yes. And then archive clause. Archiving is the saving. The classroom allows students to archive lesson at the end of the year. Once a course is filed, it's removed from the site and put in the archive class section to allow teachers to keep their current classes organized accordingly. When a course is finally archived, teacher and student can easily access it, but would not be able to make any change. Yes, archive is just saving and review until it is restored. If we need to restore. And mobile application. Google Classroom is the mobile application. It's available. Mobile application is very use the cell phone, iPhone OS and Android device. Application let user take pictures and add them their assignment. Share file from other device. Allow offline access. Another one is the privacy. Privacy is the Google email and then Google account level compared to Google's customer service. As a part G should for education, Google Class does not display ad in each student step and instruction application. User data is not scanned, used for advertising purpose. Means the privacy is very secure. Okay, we try is the function create Google Classroom. How to create? Here, click Classroom. You can find it, and the icon square button at the top right after login their mail account from the Google account. Here, you find Google here. You find Classroom here. Click continue and then plus and icon is the continue. Create class. You can make the classroom and continue, and then you input your classroom name and section, subject, and room. If you are example is the here classroom, okay, here, okay, here, home, and plus here. You can find it here. Click here and create a class. Okay, here I read, continue, and classroom name. Name is maybe effective to education. Okay, section 1. Okay, level is the here is kinder level preschool, not here. Subject effective room not assigned. Okay, no problem. Here, this one is the my class, effective education. This one is created. This one is the I create my room. Meaning is you create your classroom and then invite student and then group and make elements. Very simple. You can input class name, section, subject, room, and create. Create is the something like mean is you are section is maybe the period as you like the fall, spring, semester, something like that. And then classroom this way is right here. This is very easy. You create a classroom through Google Education. And then you are need to invitation student. And then how to invitation is select gear icon here, find invitation link here. You click and then you copy link at general setting, send student invitation link by email. Here, invitation link by student, one by one. Also, this one is the UR here, icon, here, invitation link. You find it? This one. Invitation link, and then send email. Yes. As you can see, okay, you are here, and then send to here. Okay, and maybe this one is the I'm testing, or okay, in school, 3000, gmail.com, invitation. Okay, this one send. And okay, sign out. Maybe this one is connected to my account. I try. Okay, Google changing. Okay, address. That means student received email, invitation Google class. Everybody see? This one is the UR, click, and then this click mean is I invited from teacher. I joined the class. Join class is I'm join classroom as student. Everybody got it? This is Google Classroom. Is an example. And then you are see the information. Okay, continue again. I back to the school. Professor, teacher, accountant. Okay, I continue. Okay, and then I go to the Google Classroom. Okay, invitation to click and invite the student by email. Send invitation link, invite. Student join. How do they receive the email? And click. And then student can join. Yes. And the join class. And then they classroom joined. Very simple way. Is the link is the true student by sending. Is the link is the Google Classroom. Is here part is teacher, student, and then teacher send the email and the invitation link. Student is join and accept. This means is a teacher and student join Google Classroom. Teacher is as a teacher, student as a student. They are join group or class. Yes, class is community, make community. If many students, 10 students, 20 students, okay, no problem. Is the one class, each individual class has the join. Faculty member, teacher, and student. This is the structure of Google Classroom. And then select a theme. Select a theme is the head image. Is here. Okay, this one is the effective education. Here, customize. Selecting theme. Maybe this one, customize. You can find it. This one is you change the color, maybe. Select the photo. Mean is here your study is maybe this one. Select the classroom, change. And then save design, maybe this color, and save. Yeah. This is change. You can change it. It's a head image, is a theme. Is a select a theme, right corner has image selected. You can select it from the gallery. Yeah, very easy. Click select classroom theme and theme change. This one, same. And stream. Stream is a social hub of Google Classroom. Stream is where announcements can be made by teacher, student if able to share resource or ask a question. In the Stream mean is here is community place. Any assignment created on classwork tab is announced on stream. Stream general setting, gear icon here, and stream option. Student can post command, student can only command, only teacher can post or command. This is the here. Here, stream setting. You find it? Stream setting here. And then here is the invite code, student classroom, student can post command, or only teacher can post command. Show condensed notice, classroom streaming is the hidden or attached and detail. Here is saved. You can find it. Yes. You announce and you announce. You announce. Class LMS Google. Class. Yes. As long as you're posting, you find the class setting. Announce. This is a stream option. You choose student can post, student can only command, student only teacher can post and command. This is option. And the classwork on the streaming is show attachment and detail, show condensed notification, hidden hide the notification is here. You find it here. Streaming. Okay. Here customizing. This was customizing. Setting. Customizing. Upload video. And then there is setting. Yeah. Crosswalk, okay? Crosswalk. Okay, crosswalk setting is here. Okay, here. Show condense attached to detail. Something like that. This one. And the show attached our detail. Here. Okay, this one. Show attach and here. Setting, changing, Not saved. Okay. I'm changing and save button here. Okay. Mean is you are choose options. Options, stream option, and then who is posting the command, and what the class work is the posting, show attach and detail, condense the notification, and the post class stream is typing. New post. Teacher can post the information or question to class stream by click. Share something with your class. This one. And then share with the class and posting. New posting is here. Is automatically. This is sent to all students together. Select student. And the teacher can select all student or specific student. And attach file. Teacher can attach the file, use the add icon. The link is the Google Drive link, and file is attach image on file, document file. Also attach YouTube link. I already and like this one stream, and here add command. Here command or you are classwork and create, and here material or assignment, you can create it. And you post article, display the streaming, and edit post. Even you posting, and then you can change it. And then edit, delete, copy link, update, and save. Delete post is you did not need to more. You delete posting, and the copy link. You want to share. And the next one is classwork. Classwork is when teacher create an assignment. Assignment, teacher can post it immediately, save draft, schedule it post at the later date. Means the posting is I'm designed the week 1 week later, specific date. That posting is automatically generated that time. After student complete and turn their work, teacher can grade it and return to student. Create class coursework, okay? Click and then class coursework here, coursework, and create here. And then you are selected which one. And assignment, okay, assignment. Here, assignment in the submit, assignment 1, 3 pages essay, something like. Yeah, 3 page of essay for effective education. Okay, all students assigned all students, and then this one assigned. Yes, this one is the first page. You find it. Yeah, posting new assignment. Something like. This is very the useful tool for communication, student and faculty member. Create course, class work, select class work, create. There is several class work assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, use, post, topic. This one you select. First one is that you are assignment. Assignment here. Assignment is there. They need the title, instruction is the optional add file for select student. Point default is 100. Due date, topic, rubric. This kind of information. And after you input and save. Assignment is displayed at the classwork. Next, quiz assignment. And you click is quiz assignment. And then quiz setting is click blank quiz. And the quiz type is there are several quiz type, multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, and date and time. This is connect the Google form. Yeah, Google form is the same. Google quiz. This one. And the multiple choice and answer key is you are input multiple choice. Same is that this one is Google form. And select assign answer key. Select answer option. And then you are which one is the correct answer, and then you select point and done. Assign. And then you find the assignment, and then you view quiz assignment here. And click, you find the assignment detail. Quiz assignment. Yeah, this one. View assignment submission. Submitted one is the we can find it. Submitted results are displayed at student work page. Question. Click plus create question. Question is you choose the simple short answer or multiple choice. View question. Another one, the material. Material is posting. You upload the handout, something like. There is add, select material type is you are Google Drive, link, file, YouTube is allowed. File is the you are upload file and browsing and drag a file here. Here is very easy. Select the upload file at browsing window and post and view material. Yeah, this is the I uploaded the lecture note. You can see it. And then people function is the list of the teacher or student. Teacher list. Okay. Here is effective, and then here imitation. Here, and then you can find it here. Here's people. Yeah, people is two categories: student and teachers. Mean is teacher is several teacher. Student, many student is separated. Depend on your school situation This is the provide us the list. You can invite here. Invite here is you are typing who is the invite here. And the student you invite means you send the email. Teacher list and the people and the plus click invitation and the input invitation teacher who is invited that is automatically sent to teacher's email. Same as like student too. You add the student email, send them. As like this one is the, I'm not sure here, as like someone here, and then type here, and then invite. Okay, we invite coursework, everything is fine. And then next one is grade. Grading. At the grading, here, grading means is that you are student performance and then give them grade. It's a good tool. Is here on the grade page, the teacher can view and update the grade book. Teacher can view student submission, enter grade, and return work. Student get their grade when teacher return their work. Only teacher can see the grade page. Teacher can set up overall grade and grade categories. Here, as right. And stream is grade, you click, and then view student submission is the red, green, black. Mean is red is missing work until yet. Green is turning work or dropped ready, and black is the returned work. Finish. Other color based on your classroom theme cannot indicate work ready status. Go to classroom and the class and click classroom and the grade. Okay. Enter grade. You can enter whether it is go to classroom, Google, subscribe. Here. Maybe the student name is here and the category is here. View overall grade for student in class. If you use total point or weighted by category, whether you can see student overall grade in class. You can view overall grade from grade page and people page. Here and is nothing. Also, download a copy of your grade book. Means the teacher can download a copy grade book as Google Sheet as common separated value. File for instruction go to download grade. If student on enroll from your class, their grade are removed from your grade book. Mean is here and then here grading. You can see you are dropped and then grade calculation category. You can make the category. This is grade over grade calculation. Save. And then grade is possible. This is okay. This one is page Google Class. First one is you are login classroom and sign school account as you are selected teacher. Build your first class by clicking add and apply theme. Apply theme is that you are change the class theme or customize it and select class theme and the notification 3 bar is left side. Left right corner put is here. Okay. Everybody remember Google Class is my personal opinion is very easy to create and manage classroom. Do you have any experience? You? Never? You can go to the, okay, I want to the share, how to share, okay, I invite you, people, okay, and then, okay, here, invite you, here is your email address, maybe, I have your email address, okay, not here, not here, okay. Some student email address is here, okay. Last time, I have only one email, J-A, dot in at gmail.com. Something like, okay, I found it. It's something like I found it, and then Jason, your email address. Anyway, as like I input student email and Jason, I'm not sure exactly your email. Where is the email? It's not here. And then I input student email address and invite. You received the invitation. Okay. I send the invitation. Okay. Jackie, you received my email. Is invitation. The invited. You join to classroom. This is the Google Class structure. I invite some student to the rest. Okay. I invite you. Jason, your email address, can you spell it again?
Yeah, it's all good. I got the idea.
Okay, but this one is not today, but this is the simple, is classroom setting. Is if you are future, you have the classroom, and then you send to student or your group, use the Google Classroom. Google Classroom is one of the good tool to manage it. Is student and teacher communication, and then actually school system is very free of charge. no extra charge. It's good tool. Okay, I want to close class today, and then next week we are remain student management and others, and then I will next week is a little bit on we learn about Moodle is another LMS. I like this one actually, and it's this one. Google Class is the focus on the low level, mean is a teacher and student communication only. Mean, okay, level is the Google Class is a teacher and student only. And then Moodle is the admin. Level 1, admin and manager and teacher and student. Mean Moodle is a 3 level actually. Admin, manager, teacher, student. But it's Google Class is there is no admin function. Admin function here is the G Shoot. G Shoot function is admin, but is the G Shoot is not technically manage LMS. Its function is only control administration account. Mean is the admin manager function is Moodle is more university level. Mean is Google Class is the my grade is the high school, secondary school, elementary school, and the Moodle is composed college and the university level, more advanced level. Next week is final class, 10 week is we learn is the Moodle. Moodle is reference is my diploma book. You can just you see Amazon and then go James Cook, my name, and then you find this book. This one is Moodle for Learning Management System LMS Practical and Visual Guidebook of the Administrator. This one is the more maybe function. Moodle is my personal opinion. Moodle is 100. The function and the all features 100. Google Class may be 20 or 30. Mean is the Google Class is very simple and easy LMS system, learning management system, and Moodle is a very good and wide function. And then currently a lot of the users Canvas, one of the LMS. You can see Canvas LMS. Okay, here Canvas LMS. There is a lot of Canvas. Canvas is the LMS platform. This is not free. Is the paid version. There is the LMS or what LMS are famous? What kind of LMS are used for real university level? Yeah. This one is there are several compare top platform chart. Okay. Maybe running. There is several. Yes, this one is very here. Another of the running. Maybe running world observe LMS and the running upon 306 running and the talent LMS remote to save ice cream run Moodle Skyprep Blackboard core achieve and not here is Canvas. Canvas usually Blackboard is big size elements and the Moodle is a small and medium level. Canvas is the medium and high level. Anyway, this is paid version except Moodle. Moodle